Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete all of the viruses on your phone and how to check for them. So first of all, what I like to do is go ahead to the App Store, go ahead to my profile and click on Apps. From here, you want to go ahead and check on the applications and update them. So they would be updated and make sure you recognize all of them. Now, the other thing you can do is go ahead to Settings and go ahead to Battery. Now on battery, you will see that there is battery usage. So if you don't like the usage and it's something suspicious, you can go ahead and delete that application, uninstall it, and then install it again if it's, for example, Instagram. And the last thing would be Safari. So you want to go ahead and find Safari here on settings. So what you want to do is go ahead and see that block pop-ups is turned on because you wouldn't click on it accidentally. And that's that. Now you want to go ahead on the tabs. Everything is okay here now. And now the privacy and security. So you want to hide your IP address from trackers. You want to go ahead and click on prevent cross-site tracking, require Face ID to unlock private browsing, and fraudulent website warning. You want all of these to be turned on. And if you want to, you can go ahead and clear the history and website data, and also close all tabs. As you can see, there are 74 tabs for me, and it will close all of them. And like so, you will clear your Safari. So that's basically it, guys. That's the most important thing. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.